students? So you know the topic of discussion, we have already started the chapter sound, and what we were discussing, frequency. Okay. Now today what we are going to do, we are going to check what is frequency by doing some demonstration. Okay. What we have with us is a metal bob and a stopwatch. First of all, let us try to understand this instrument, because we have to measure the time also. How does it work? You have to put it up, then it turns on. Okay? Then here it will stop. Understood? Start, stop. Okay? It is quite old, so it is not working properly. It is not smooth. So little pressure we have got. Fine? ये समझ गया आपको? ठीक है, चलो अभी इसका काम क्या है? ये अभी मैंने इधर स्टॉप किया इसको, ठीक है? इसका क्या है? To reset. So this particular thing you can use to reset, and this to start and stop. ये समझ गया? ठीक है. Now I want a representative. You have to do this work. Okay? When I say start, you have to pull it up, and when you have to stop, you have to pull it down. Okay? Then what are the units over here? It starts from 0 all the way until 60. So 60 seconds we can measure. How many oscillations we are going to count? 10 oscillations. Understood? Okay. Stand. You need chair? You can keep it like this. You can. Okay? Just check whether you are comfortable with this. Okay? Don't immediately reset, because we have to count time also. Okay? Now, how to work with this pendulum? Now remember that we have to understand what is one oscillation. So if I start from here, okay, it goes all the way until here, again it comes back, that becomes one oscillation. So suppose this is point A, it will go until here and it will again come back. That is one oscillation. From where we have to start? From the extreme position. Either you can start from here, one oscillation, two oscillation like this, or you can start from this end. You cannot start from the middle, because the pendulum, the bob, is slow near the extreme positions. So here it is quite slow. It becomes almost, it comes to rest at this point. That's why this is the ideal time to start and stop. Okay? Same at this end also. Here also it comes and stop over here. So it comes to rest position. So that becomes easy to count for us. Understood? We have to count 10 oscillations. How many? 10. So let us start. Will not immediately start. When I say start, only then you have to start. Start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Done? How much time? So it almost took. You started it when I said start? Okay. So this is 13 seconds. Note it down. अपने notebook में लिखो 13 seconds for 10 oscillations. How many oscillations? Number of oscillations below that you will write. Below that you will write 10 oscillations. And time for 10 oscillations you will write 13 seconds. We will take 3 readings. Done? Let us take one more reading. This is observation number 2. Start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Okay. So it is now 12 seconds. 12 seconds. 10 oscillations. One more time. Say start. Why? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 seconds. Take the average of 10 plus 12 plus 13. Because there must be some error. Always when we do experiment, there are errors in the readings. Because we are doing it manually, so we are bound to make errors. 35 divided by 3. How much? 35 divided by 3.
Sir, it's 11.6 bar.
11.6. Okay. Let us say 11.7. Okay, or 11.67 we can take. Because anyways, the after decimal place, it is 6 greater than 5. So you can either take 11.67 or 11.7. Let us take 11.7. Okay. So note it down. This is time taken for 10 oscillation. Now we have to calculate time taken for 1 oscillation. How we will do that? 11.7 divided by 10. Do it. 11.7. You can sit down. Thank you. 11.7 divided by 10. 1.17. Correct. 1.17 means almost 1.2. 1.2 seconds it takes to complete one oscillation. Okay. So what is the time period? T is equal to 1.2 seconds. Right now. T is equal to capital T is equal to 1.2 seconds. 1.2 seconds. Small s. Done. Now we will calculate frequency. So what is frequency? Nu is equal to 1 upon T. So let us calculate frequency. Nu is equal to 1 divided by 1.2. 1 divided by 1.2. So it is like dividing 10 by 12. Can you divide it? Divide 10 by 12.
So 1 upon T.
Actually it is 1 divided by 1.2, right? So 1 upon T is 1 upon 1.2. Okay, so we have to divide 1 by 1.2. But it is better to divide 10 by 12 because the value is same. Ratio is going to be same. So 10 by 12. If you simplify it, you can divide 5 by 6 also because it is same. Okay, so what do we get the answer? 5 divided by 6? 0.8 something. Just check. I calculated it orally, but you can check for yourself.
0.83.
0.83, and the unit of frequency is hertz. Okay, H, capital H, small z. Write down 0.83 hertz. Okay, what is the short form of hertz? Hz. Understood everyone how to calculate frequency? And you understood what is frequency? So that much of oscillations are completed in 1 second. How many? 0.83. That much of oscillation. So it is not even one complete oscillation. It might be, there might be some errors of course. Okay. So roughly you can say in 1 second 1 oscillations are getting completed. Okay. 0.83 is close to 1. Understood? Any doubts? Thank you.